Dear friends, welcome. This is a live trade video. Today is the 26th of August 2021. It's 4 minutes past 4 local time. This is dollar cut for our chart 1.26244. Actually, yeah, I'll also show you right now the 1 hour chart. So what's going on with market? And the smart money is clearing the counter stop. So this blue line here is a short-term stop accumulation of the shorties. So the price will go up a few pips, clean out this short-term stop, maybe the second, and then after that has been done and these highs here have been cleared, the price will turn down and break to the lower downside against the dumb money longies. Okay. So let me show you the higher time frames as well, because if you subscribe to the live stream, you will be able to see all the 4-hour chart, the day charts, the 1-hour chart, the 30-minute charts. So this is a 4-hour chart. You see very clearly what's going on. It's really not difficult. So we had this massive up move, massive down move, very unusual chart pattern, like a reversed V, and then the market went flat. Everybody thinks that the market has to come back up towards the range because it looks very cheap. So that's why all the dumb money traders buy dollar cut. Okay, they all go long. Because all of them go long over days, the price will only clear the short-term stops to the upside and then break down against those longies. Maybe even will go eventually for the long-term stops here. Okay, so that's already predictable now for us. We know that this will happen, whether in the next 10 hours or 20, 25 hours. That we do not know for sure, but that's no problem at all. What's more important is to time the entries well, and it's not difficult. And I'll show you right now how this can be done. So obviously you can place a limit here above this formation, yeah, around 1.2629 for example, or you can trade at market. In this video I try to capture the moment where they clear these stops here, and then I will already place a short at market. Okay, I also wanted to show you the day chart, so even more zoomed out. Okay, so because there's a little bit more advanced, but relevant nevertheless. So you see that the 4 moving averages on the day chart are all below the price. The smart money loves to go down and clean those because stops accumulate around those moving averages, as we know, the 50, 100 day, 200 day. We see the longies, okay? So if you zoom out, it becomes even clearer. Longies try to buy this move thinking it's a pullback, and the move will go back up towards the high. Because the dumb money buyers go long, the opposite will happen. Dollar cut will go down and clean those moving averages and go for the stops of those dumb money longies, the buyers, the green bars. Okay, no rocket science really. So here again the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it looks kind of cheap to buy, but it's definitely not very bullish because of all the longies. The price will go down. Okay, so that's a clear thing. Now we go to the 1-hour chart. We'll look at the details. Okay. Right, so I put in this line here. That's a price where people like to place a limit to short. In that case, 1.26347, which is very reasonable. Traders who are less aggressive but want a better entry price may place their short limit above the second little short-term stop around the 1.26541 level. What I will do is I'll place a short at market now, okay? And if it comes higher, because I'm on the markets now I will again place a short at market. Only if, for example, I have to leave or work on something, I want to place a limit. But there are different ways to trade the situation. Okay, some people, they prefer to just place the limit and wait until they get filled. So, dollar cut, I'm going short. In terms of targets, well, you can see those short-term stops down here. Even if it bounces off the low and does some fake support, eventually it will break it. Okay, so my target would be, yeah, around the 1.25765 level, I think. I will place it a few pips above because I'm able to get, yeah, like 1.258, something like that. Because I will be able to get a good entry here. No rocket science. Stay safe.